Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you about the hormonal control of the male reproductive system or spermatogenesis. So spermatogenesis is under control of endocrine hormones which begins at the age of puberty due to large secretion of gonadotropin releasing hormone, that is GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone, by hypothalamus, and it acts on anterior pituitary to produce two gonadotropins, that is luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone, that is known as FSH and LH. Follicle stimulating hormone and LH, that is luteinizing hormone. LH, this is also called as interstitial cells stimulating hormone, that is ICSH, which acts on interstitials or Leydig cells. I explained you earlier video that how LH stimulate Leydig cells and FSH the Sertoli cells. So Leydig cells, it produces androgens like testosterone, which is also known as male hormone, and testosterone is essential for formation of sperms, and under the influence of FSH, Sertoli cells develop androgen binding protein, that is called as ABP. The latter help in the concentrating testosterone in the pituitary and GnRH production by hypothalamus. So Sertoli cells also produce a glycoprotein called inhibin. Sertoli cells also produce a peptide hormone called as inhibin. Inhibin suppresses FSH. As the name indicate, it inhibit the production of FSH, which is synthesized by anterior pituitary, and GnRH, which is by hypothalamus. So thus normal release of testosterone is under negative feedback control. So you can see this is the negative feedback control. So you see here again that GnRH, which is secreted by hypothalamus, which stimulate anterior pituitary to release two androgens, that is FSH and LH, that FSH follicle stimulating hormone and LH, that is luteinizing hormone. It works on Leydig cells, it works on Sertoli cells. Leydig cells produces androgen, that is testosterone. It helps in spermatogenesis in testes, and also you all know the function of testosterone. And Sertoli cells, it produces one glycoprotein or peptide hormone, that is inhibin, which suppresses the activity of FSH, which is you can say it provide negative control. And ABP, that is androgen binding protein, is also secreted by Sertoli cells. So Sertoli cells, as their function, we know that they provide attachment to spermatids. We have seen in spermatogenesis process, in the process of spermiation, and it provide nourishment to spermatids, secreting spermiogenic factor, having ABP, and ABP is for concentrating testosterone. What is the function of AVP? It concentrates testosterone required for spermatogenesis. So, in case of excess storage of testosterone, Sertoli cells produce this hormone that is known as inhibin for suppressing GnRH and then FSH. So, they provide a small quantity of fluid for passage of spermatozoa into the female genital system. So this is all about the hormonal control of the male reproductive system.